We now have the honor of hearing from Sri A. Sudharshan Reddy, Advocate General of Telangana High Court, an eminent legal expert and steadfast voice in upholding constitutional values. Sir, we request you to share your reflections.
Honorable Chief Justice of India, Sri Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai, Honorable Justice P.S. Narasimha, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Acting Chief Justice, Telangana High Court, Honorable Judges of the Telangana and Andhra High Court, former Judges of the High Court, Vice Chancellor of Osmania University, Learned Academia, Law Officers of the State of Telangana, Advocates, dear students, it is a day to cherish in the annals of our 108 years old Osmania University to have the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Sri Justice Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai, as the Chief Guest to address us on the most sacred topic, Constitution of India, the contribution of Babasaheb Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. This 108-year-old university has many laurels, but to have the Chief Justice of India among us is a moment of glory. As for me, returning to my alma mater is euphoric as well as nostalgic. As General Secretary of the Students' Union, I invited Sri Swami Agnivesh, a social worker and the crusader for the removal of the evil of bonded labor and the pioneer of the celebrated judgment Bandhua Mukti Morcha, here on the stage. And today, after more than 4.5 decades, I feel privileged to invite the Honorable Chief Justice of India. Very few universities in the country can say that they had a retired Supreme Court judge as the Vice Chancellor of the university. Sri P. Jagannath Reddy, after retiring from the Supreme Court, accepted the office of the Vice Chancellor of the Osmania University and steered the university from troubled waters. The greatest moment for this university was in 1953 when we were lucky and blessed to have the opportunity to award the doctorate, the honorary causa, to Dr. Babasaheb B.R. Ambedkar on 12/1/1953. I went to Amaravati district of Maharashtra to invite the Honorable Chief Justice of India to Hyderabad. There, I have seen a few of the many educational institutions started by Sri Ramakrishna Suryaban Gavai, father of our Chief Justice of India. Sri R.S. Gavai, more popularly known as Babasaheb Gavai, was an educationist, a social worker, member of the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, Governor of Bihar, Sikkim and Kerala. We have now with us Sri Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai, Chief Justice of India, a great son to an illustrious father. I have had the good opportunity to hear the speech of the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Sri Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai, on Ambedkar Jayanti on April 14 this year at the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar International Center in Delhi. The Honorable Chief Justice of India not only paid glowing tributes to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's legacy, but also the ongoing relevance and his ideas and vision in contemporary India. The topic chosen for today is very close to the heart of this august gathering here of the Honorable Judges, academia, lawyers and students. This address is for us to cherish and retain it for posterity. Thank you.